Today, we're going to read about moose.
Moose are big mammals. They are the largest type of deer. Males grow huge antlers in the spring. They shed them in the winter. All moose have loose skin below the throat. It is called a bell. Moose walk on large hooves. They do not sink in mud or snow. Moose live in forests, mountains, and tundra. They stay close to water. Moose are great swimmers. They dip underwater to find food. Moose eat aquatic plants in the summer. Winter treats are bark and twigs. Males fight over females. They use their antlers to push one another. Females fight predators to protect calves. A kick does the trick. What are great horned owls? Great horned owls are mighty raptors. These birds are common throughout all of North America, except the northernmost parts of Canada and Alaska. The owls usually live in forests. However, they can adapt to live in deserts, swamps, and even cities. Great horned owls are among the largest owls in North America. Their bodies are about 2 feet, 0.6 meters long. Their wings can measure almost 5 feet, 1.5 meters across. Useful feathers. Great horned owls have ear tufts on their heads. These feathers look like horns. The owls move them to communicate with family members. The ear tufts also make the owls look threatening to enemies. Ear tufts help great horned owls blend in with trees while they sleep. Brown, gray, and cream-spotted bodies also hide the owls against tree bark. Hunting. Great horned owls usually search for food in the late evening and at night. Large yellow eyes help these carnivores spot prey in the dark. Excellent ears let the owls hear the smallest of sounds. Great horned owls hunt from a perch. They turn their heads to look all around. Then the birds dive down to catch dinner. Soft wing feathers make them silent flyers. They attack by surprise. The owl's sharp talons grab prey. Favorite catches are small mammals. However, their strong grip can hold much heavier prey. The owls tear apart larger prey with hooked beaks. They swallow smaller prey whole. Nesting. Female great horned owls lay eggs in winter. They use empty nests built by other big birds. Males bring food to the nests. Females stay with the eggs to keep them warm. Owlets stay with their parents after they hatch. Mom and dad protect the babies from danger. They will attack any predator that comes too close. Warning marks. Black widow spiders are arachnids with a mean bite. They have marks that warn of venom. Males are small with red and white marks. Females are shiny and black. Each has a red mark shaped like an hourglass. Building webs. Black widow spiders hide in dark places. They build webs near the ground. Their webs trap mosquitoes, grasshoppers, and other insects. Fangs and venom. These spiders wrap their prey in silk. They bite the prey with their fangs. Venom flows from the fangs. Black widow venom makes big animals sick. Spiderlings. Females lay hundreds of eggs. They keep them safe with silk. Spiderlings break out of the eggs. Then they balloon to a new home. What are striped skunks? Striped skunks are mammals found all over the United States. Some call southern Canada or northern Mexico home. Most striped skunks live near water in forests and grasslands. Others live in cities. Striped skunks have black fur. 2 white stripes begin at their heads and run down their bodies. Their tails are a mix of black and white. The skunks have short legs. Webbed feet and long claws help them dig for food. Striped skunks are about 18 to 32 inches, 46 to 81 centimeters long from nose to tail. They can weigh up to 14 pounds, 6 kilograms. Males are often bigger than females. Smelly sprayers. The skunks are famous for their defenses. When scared, they stamp their feet and raise their tails. They also spray their scent at predators. The mist smells bad and hurts eyes. The scent is hard to get off. A striped skunk's spray does not keep all predators away. Birds, such as owls and eagles, often take their chances. Sometimes, other animals are hungry enough to attack. Finding food. Striped skunks are nocturnal. These omnivores come out at night to eat. They use their claws to dig for grubs. They also search for small mammals, fruits, and bird eggs. In the den. The skunks often sleep in dens underground. They look for empty burrows dug by other animals. Sometimes striped skunks dig their own burrows. They may also rest in hollow logs or under buildings. In cold areas, striped skunks spend the winter underground. Several skunks sometimes share one den to keep warm. They are less active during winter. They often do not eat until spring. Females give birth to kits in the spring. The babies nurse for about 6 weeks. Then the young skunks learn to find food on their own. Time to leave mom. White-tailed deer are hoofed mammals. They live throughout much of Canada, the United States, and Mexico. These deer often hide in forests. They are also found in deserts, prairies, and swamps. White-tailed deer have reddish-brown coats in the summer. Their fur fades to grayish-brown in the winter. They have white patches by their eyes, nose, and throat. Their bellies are also white. These deer are named for the white fur on the underside of their tails. They raise their tails to show the white when scared. This warns other deer that danger may be near. Finding food. White-tailed deer search for food in the evening and early morning. They are herbivores. In the summer, they eat leaves, fruits, and mushrooms. They chew on nuts and corn in the fall. Twigs and bark are winter foods. White-tailed deer must be ready to run from predators. Even in thick forests, they can run up to 30 miles, 48 kilometers per hour. This is usually fast enough to outrun bears, wolves, and other animals. Bucks and does. Male white-tailed deer are called bucks. They grow to be bigger than females, or does. Bucks grow up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters long. Their shoulders are about 3 feet, 0.9 meters, from the ground. They weigh up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms. Every spring, bucks grow a new set of antlers. They use them to fight over does. Then the antlers fall off in winter. Mom and fawns. A doe gives birth to up to 3 fawns at a time. White spots cover the fawns' backs. These camouflage them from predators. At 3 to 4 months old, fawns usually lose their spots. They stay with mom for up to 2 years. Then they have fawns of their own. What are porcupines? Porcupines are spiky rodents. These mammals live across much of Canada and the western United States. Most porcupines make homes in forests. Some porcupines roam western scrublands. In the north, they may live in tundra. Porcupines have brown or black fur. They are also covered in sharp quills. These quills are dark with white tips. Male porcupines are larger than females. They can weigh up to 35 pounds, 16 kilograms. Most porcupines measure just over 2 feet, 0.6 meters, in length. Porcupines usually live high in trees. Long claws and rough pads on their feet help them climb. In pine forests or open areas, porcupines make dens in hollow logs or underground. Finding food. Porcupines forage at night. They look for food in trees or on the ground. Leaves and tree buds are favorite treats. Porcupines also nibble on flowers, berries, and nuts. Some porcupines eat plants from lakes or streams. They swim to find this food. Their quills help them float. In winter, food can be hard to find. Then these herbivores chew on bark and pine needles. Facing enemies. Few predators hunt porcupines. The spiky animals are protected by strong defenses. When porcupines sense danger, they click their teeth as a warning. They raise their quills if this does not work. When a predator comes too close, the porcupine hits it with its tail. The sharp quills stick in the animal. Barbs make the quills hard to pull out. Porcupets. In spring, a female porcupine has one baby. A porcupet is born with soft quills. These harden after about an hour. Mom hides her baby on the ground. It cannot climb trees yet. At first, the porcupet nurses. Then it forages with mom at night. After 6 months, the young porcupine goes off on its own. What are ladybugs? Ladybugs are colorful beetles. Their polka dot bodies stand out. Red, orange, or yellow covers hide ladybug wings. The covers are hard and rounded. Ladybug legs are short. A ladybug also has 2 small antennae on its head. Ladybug life. Ladybugs make their homes in grasslands, forests, and gardens. Ladybugs help farmers. They munch on pests like aphids. In winter, ladybugs hibernate in big groups. They come out again in spring.